Hello, welcome to APG.STUDIO channel. My name is Alicia, fitness yoga expert, and every Tuesday, even in 2021 New Year, we still continue yoga for men. And today, session for strong core, going to focus on your abs and your obliques. So get yourself ready right now. So place your feet with your hips width apart. Inhale, arms up. Slowly exhale, bend your knees. Fold forward. You're already trying to engage your abs to pull your torso towards your thighs. Knees bent. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Really start to control your abs. Pull in through your spine as you bend forward. And two more. Inhale. And exhale one more time. Now step back to down dog position. Lift your left leg. As you exhale, bend your knee. Swing forward. Inhale. And exhale. Try to keep your knee really high. It's not to the floor. You're trying to pull up to your chest. If you've got more strength and you want to challenge yourself, instead, to your left, try with twist, knee towards to your right arm. So you're activating not only your abdominal muscles, but your obliques on your left. Inhale and exhale. Maybe two more. Okay, right leg to your right arm, or maybe you're ready to try to your left. Inhale and exhale. Maybe two more if you can. Slowly bring your knees, move to child pose. Now place your hands next to your knees, toes tucked under. Inhale, we've got your knees on the floor. As you exhale, lifting up, but you're leaning forward to work with your abs as well as your upper body. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Maybe three more. And one more time. Stay in forward position. Again, knees bent, trying to bring your rib cage close to your ears. Legs using your abdominal muscles, pull in. Inhale, slowly exhale. Feel the stretch, back of your legs, glutes and lower back. And two more. Work with your hands to plank position. And now left leg. Inhale, exhale, swing to your side. Inhale and exhale. Maybe 2 more. Now you're right. Feel your core, abs and obliques. Inhale and exhale. And 2 more. To child pose. Still abs in. Stretch your upper body as well as your glutes and your lower back. Okay, sit, cross legs with your right leg at the front. Now hands together, position nice and upright. Inhale, as you exhale, twist to your left side. Again, controlling your abs. You can try right elbow to your left knee. Inhale and exhale, feel left side. Obliques again, nice and active. Good stretch for your lower back at the same time. Inhale and exhale. And 3 more. Okay, now got left to the front. Now twisting to your right. 4 more. Try elbow to your knee on your right side. Inhale and exhale. And 3 more. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist. Excellent. Now, we're still sitting cross legs, but make sure you got enough space behind you. So before we roll back on the floor, you need to engage your abs, to tuck your pelvis under, to make this shape in your spine. Because of the pelvis position, okay? So you're engaging abs, pulling in through the spine. And now nice and smooth rock to sit. Inhale and exhale. Could be hands behind your knees. Could be arms by your side. Cross legs, or if you've got more flexibility in your legs, legs together. Try if your feet off the floor maybe. Inhale and exhale. Try to keep your knees close to you. Inhale and exhale. Maybe 1 more. Excellent. Cross legs again. Arms by your side. Hips and pelvis, your lower back the same as the previous one. You're tugging in to press lower back to the floor to feel muscles active in your abs. And now when you inhale, try to move your legs out. Exhale. Pull your knees close to your chest. Inhale and exhale. If you've got stronger muscles, try knees to your chest. So lifting hips, lower back off the floor. Or if your legs lower. Only if your lower back is still nice and flat. More challenge, you can try if your shoulders and your head off the floor, but it's no discomfort in your neck. In this case, head on the floor. Could be arms by your side, or higher, or even over your head. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Maybe two more. Excellent. Cross to sit and stretch your abs. Lay down your belly. Strong glutes, shoulders away from your head, from your ears. Feel the stretch in your abs right now. Staying on your forearms, or maybe ready for more. Depends how your your lower back today. Avoid looking down. Look forward to activate muscles in your neck area. Still fine. Try to walk with your hands closer to you. Maybe placing hands underneath your shoulders to lifting your chest higher. Feel good stretching your abs. And hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly to child pose. If your hips higher or lower, depends how the stretch in your lower back. And yeah. So that's it. Thank you for this session. Yoga for men, strong core, abs and your obliques. So I hope you enjoyed it. And as you remember, if you're watching previous videos, they are not very long because that's the idea. You can do it as a second set, or you can mix with different video from the list, from the playlist Yoga for Men. So if you've been watching first time and you like it, this style, please give me thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And wishing you all, guys, Happy New Year. Hopefully it's gonna be better. But we still carry on our regular session on my YouTube channel. So stay safe, healthy, tune with me. Bye for now.